Hey, it's Kate with WTI. What's better than a gorgeous, elegant dress?
A dress that's super elegant and also comfortable, which is the case with this beautiful dress I have here by TINSTREE. I have it in size small and in this gorgeous dark blue color. I'm obsessed with this color blue. I think that the velvet is so incredibly vibrant. I wanted to show it to you here in the sunlight. It's just so pretty. That velvet is incredibly soft. The inside of the dress is also really smooth and soft and comfy. This whole dress is so incredibly comfortable and gorgeous. You are gonna feel like $1,000,000 wearing this. I know I do. That size small runs true to size for me. That is what I typically am, and I find that it fits perfectly. I actually got this to complete a costume that I was wearing to a party, and I think that it did the job perfectly. This is the exact look I was going for. So it looks really beautiful with some sparkly boots, with a cute jacket or coat, but it also is super pretty all by itself. And what I really appreciate is that the material is stretchy, which is what is the secret to this dress being so incredibly comfortable. It fits like a glove, beautiful, easy to move in, and just overall, that material has a perfect amount of stretch that makes it so incredibly comfortable to wear, yet so incredibly elegant. So I think this is going to look amazing for so many different events or even just a night out. I think you'll love it.
I love this dress. I think it is absolutely stunning, and I think that you will love it too. But that's just my point of view.